Good Monday morning. It is October 28th, 2024. It's your Loudoun County weather outlook. Gonna be a clear day. We start off really cold this morning, lows in the low 30s, a lot of freezing and frosting. Growing season is pretty much over now because of the below freezing temperatures. So we'll warm up today into the low 60s tonight, in the low 40s tomorrow. We get up into the upper 60s. And then on Wednesday, mid and upper 70s. On Thursday, 80s probably going to definitely be hit in the area. Upper 70s to around 80. Front's going to come through on Thursday night, and that's going to drop us back down into the 60s on Friday, low to mid 60s for next weekend. There's a 50% chance of showers later on Thursday night or Halloween night, so you don't have to worry about anything messing up trick-or-treating. Should be nice and kind of toasty when you're out there trick-or-treating if you are. And then on Friday morning, maybe a few showers before that thing clears out. In general, the long range looks drier than normal, and temperatures also a little bit above normal as well. Although I should rephrase that. The longer range turns to a pattern that may bring a little bit more rain. So actually the long range is now showing a bit above normal for the outlook. I just don't have a lot of confidence it's going to change much. This ridge that's along the East Coast, which we're going to go through here, has been very, very persistent. So now looking at the weather maps, over the region, we've got a high pressure system obviously funneling in the colder air from the north and giving us still our calm conditions today. They did overnight. That's what brought the cold temperatures. That high is going to move off to the east and allow southerly flow to increase a little bit tomorrow and especially Wednesday and Thursday. There's strong southerly winds. Should bring a few breezes in and definitely warmer temperatures. Again, mid and upper 70s by Wednesday, and on Thursday, right around 80 degrees. As we progress, we will see a front moving through, like I said, late Thursday, probably Thursday night, into Friday morning. It could bring a few showers again, nothing too significant. Temperatures don't cool, majorly, but it's definitely going to be much cooler than it was on Halloween Day on Friday in the 60s. And then low 60s for both Saturday and Sunday. Now we're going to get out into the longer range. When we get to the longer range, its high is showing dominance here. It does show that it's going to have some sticking power to keep a little bit of cooler temperatures in briefly. Maybe a little bit of easterly winds, which will actually increase some clouds. We'll have to see. But in general, we are still under the dominance of a high pressure system. Another big low is going to go across the Central Plains and cause them a lot of rain, but it's not really moving east at all. The southeast high pressure system is going to just keep in place. That's going to keep our temperatures pretty much high. Now, once we get out to 210 hours, that's about a week and a little bit from today. Again, high pressure is showing. There is a storm off the southeast coast that's way far. It could be a tropical storm near the Caribbean. But again, we just don't look really chilly at all. Our heights, or the way that the atmosphere is stacked, it looks pretty warm. And if front does try to come through, we'll have to see. Again, at this point, I'm in way, way, way far outland. And nothing really significant changed in the pattern, even with this big low out in the southeast of us in the the Atlantic Ocean, sorry. I don't see it really influencing our weather and changing us from sunny days. So the ridge is just persistent, and that ridge is like a cap, and it's blocking any progression of moisture into the area. So if we are going to head in drought, I think this would do it. This has been your Monday, October 28th, Loudoun County Weather Outlook. I hope you have an awesome day.